fucking cut me off, you fuck. Could have been squished. Fuck with my fucking blinker. I did, I fucked my whole blinker. It's actually not against the law, you fucking bimbo!
Well, don't run into my fucking camera.
You try to squish me, it's on fucking camera! I saw you merge over further to the left! If you want to take it to the police, we can! Do you want to take it to the police? There's video evidence! I saw you merge over to the left, you fucking moron! Do you want to kill me?
Well, then why would you try and park?
Because it's the whole purpose of filtering is so we don't get run up the arse by idiots like you!
Yeah, right. There's people that travel up the middle on lanes are like you.
Go check the law! Go look it up on the Queensland government website!